Hello everyone! Today I want to talk about rejuvenating nutrition, which products you should include in your daily nutrition plan in order to stay young and beautiful. And I'm also going to share with you some of my favorite recipes. A balanced nutrition plan is crucial for the health of your body. It should be full of protein, plant fats, vitamins and microelements. Our nutrition should include fish, a lot of fruit and vegetables, grains and beans, such as soybeans or kidney beans. In order to maintain your health, it's also crucial to consume some nuts and seeds in order to keep the layer of subcutaneous fat and healthy volumes on your face. So, it is important to pay attention to your nutrition plan. Today I want to share with you some recipes that are gonna help you restore the amount of healthy fats in your body, as well as vitamins and microelements to preserve your youthfulness. The first thing I do in the morning is I drink a glass of lemon water. It cleans out your body and washes off all of the toxins. Lemons contain kalium, which improves your brain activity and normalizes the functioning of your nervous system. It will also help strengthening your immune system. The recipe is very simple. Take 1 glass of filtered water and squeeze 1/3 of a lemon into it. Drink it up 30 minutes before having a breakfast. In the next recipe, we are going to use gelatin. This elixir is filled up with microelements that will tighten your skin, strengthen your nails and hair. For this cocktail, take 1 teaspoon of gelatin and add 100 milliliters of water to it. Let it be absorbed and add some hot water to dissolve gelatin. After that, add 1 teaspoon of orange or lemon juice. It's gonna be good not only for your skin, but also to make sure that the main component is being digested well. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey and drink it up half an hour before having breakfast. You can drink those cocktails as a course for 7 to 10 days. This course will be enough to see visible results. And you can repeat this course after 10 days. For the next recipe, you are going to need an orange and dried apricots. We are going to make a delicious smoothie. Take 1 handful of dried apricots and add them to the blender. Add 1 peeled orange to it and 1 glass of water. Then blend it all together and voila, you get a very delicious smoothie. Enjoy! For the next recipe, we'll need sesame seeds and honey, and we are going to make a food supplement. Put 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds into a coffee grinder, then mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. And you can just have it as a little dessert throughout the day. Sesame seeds are full of omega-3, vitamin E, and calcium, and it is a great product for your beauty. And honey is full of microelements. It strengthens your immune system and in general has a lot of different benefits. And for the dessert, we are going to make delicious and healthy candy as an alternative to raffinated sugars. In my videos, I mentioned many times that sugar destroys collagen. Our recipe is a great alternative. Lanolin seeds keep your youthfulness. Vitamins F, A, E, B, and omega-3 are known to slow down aging processes and make your skin, nails, and hair look healthy. Pumpkin seeds contain a lot of zinc and selenium. They encourage your cells to produce more collagen and speed up restoring process of your cells. Pumpkin seeds also contain fatty acids and kalium, which hydrates and tones up our skin. And vitamins A and E normalize the processes in our cells and restore our nails and hair. Pumpkin seeds also contain amino acids that help you fighting stress, reduce anxiety, help your heart, improves memory and mood, and increase your productivity. And the base for our candy is dates. They contain a lot of vitamins and microelements, carbohydrates, and amino acids. They also contain vitamins B, A, and E, and important macroelements such as magnesium, kalium, calcium, iron, zinc, and selenium. So for our recipe, grab dates, Remove the stone, put them through a blender or food processor, then add 1 tablespoon of linseed flour that you made in your coffee grater and add some more blended pumpkin seeds. Mix it all together. Then form bowls and coat them in cocoa powder or coconut flakes. I hope you liked my today's recipes and you are going to give them a try. In order to make sure your body gets enough microelements and vitamins on a daily basis, make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, share this video and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget clicking the bell to follow our latest updates.